Dingle landed in Lisbon, staring at an air hostess who took herself so lightly. She regularly flew like an angel. Lisbon cathedral, most beautiful, but not as beautiful was the people who give me directions. A maid in the hostel mentioned in a hard-working, humble lady in the city of romance. A man laced rope through cardboard for his shoes down by the river. I swear he looked and walked just like Jesus. Water splashes his feet like a guitar string hum. You should know when the sun goes down, it gets mighty cold. Cameras click, the ice and water rolls. There's not arrows on every set of crossroads. I'm on a pilgrim trail, holding hands by the river. The best thing I've done in the last 5 years was kissing you, Deborah. So many things that I should have said before letting you board that boat. Biting my lips, singing Stand By Me, kissing by the ships, wearing your Eiffel Tower necklace. Just give me a pen with ink, from the slums to the rich city where you can't hold it, people. You should feel so privileged. You should feel so privileged. I'm still on the road, looking for nothing, waiting for no one, just watching the world unfold. It don't take much, just everything that I don't know.